So here we go, spring in Running Springs. So beautiful. This is a new tree we got. It's a dogwood tree, which I've always wanted one, and they're just so pretty. And we've planted it appropriately next to our dog bar, which we have our dog potty. And then this plaque that we have that has dogs and cats on it. So it all ties in together because that's just how we are. We're like that. And our sage is doing well. And our flower garden with our lilies and our spring bloom. Really nice. Our little fairy. Then on the retaining wall, we're getting our purple flowers. Really nice. And new addition today also is we are doing some container gardening on the alcove in on our retaining wall. In the middle is a lipstick sage, and to the left is a pink and white geranium, which we got the clippings from a friend of ours in Riverside. So that'll look really pretty as it grows together. This is a milkweed that I started from one of the plants that we have down the hill at our other home. And so I've been nursing it for 2 weeks, and so I think we might get some blooms probably, if not this year, definitely next year. That gives to the butterflies. Now our apple tree is, oh my gosh, doing so well. Joe's so happy. We got this apple tree a few weeks ago and planted it in memory of his parents, and the blossoms are just beautiful. Our mystery tree over there, getting our leaves. Still don't know what it is though. Then here's our little shrub that changes colors of the leaves. My friend Pam would know what it is. We saw one in her garden, and it was so pretty that we went to the nursery and got that. My gardenia here is getting some blossoms, and we should have flowers in a couple weeks. My yucca, which I brought up from my other house. Now that we're here all the time, it's kind of nice to be able to tend our spring garden. I finished my remembrance and honor garden for the firefighters and residences in Paradise, California. So that's a plaque I made, and my girlfriend, who unfortunately did lose her home in the fire, got the glass flowers, was able to recover those. I got 4 of them. There's 2 of them. Then I set the other 2 up against the trellis, which has the 2 rose plants and the angel up above. So that's really nice. I'm very pleased with the way the honor garden turned out. Then our daffodils. Our daffodils are finally standing up, but we only have 1 more flower left, so we'll see if we get any more. Here's the front entryway where I have my fairy garden and my little bunny. This is camellia flowers. I got this plant a couple weeks ago and planted it in here. So I like that a lot. So this is springtime at our home in Running Springs, which we're very grateful for.